Look at this draining hourglass. It represents exactly what happens to your bank account every month when you stack up individual subscriptions for cloud hosting, design software, and premium streaming services. The costs quietly chip away at your budget until you are spending hundreds of dollars a year just to maintain basic digital access. There is a secure path around these retail prices. A verified .edu email address serves as the primary credential across the tech ecosystem. Acquiring one properly unlocks over $2,000 in annual value, providing access to professional developer packs and premium software suites at deep discounts or no cost at all. Today, we are covering 2 specific ways to execute this. Step 1 is a 60-second immediate method designed for rapid, low-stakes trials. Step 2 is a rigorous, permanent enrollment method to secure lifetime verification. Mastering both of these acquisition methods gives you a toolkit. Instead of being locked out of industry-standard software due to a tight budget, you gain the same professional-grade resources used by fully funded developers and designers. We will start with the instant route. As you can see on this interface, a temporary generator provides a functional academic email in seconds. You use this strictly as a tactical maneuver for immediate, short-term software trials. The process is purely mechanical. You navigate to a generator like tempmail.pw, wait for the system to assign you a randomized string ending in .edu, and hit copy. Next, you take that copied address directly to your target platform, like a design software trial or a quick course sign-up, and paste it into the new account registration field. Now you enter a mandatory holding pattern. Return to the Generator tab and wait. It typically takes 5 to 20 seconds for the target platform's confirmation ping to hit this private temporary inbox. Click the confirmation link and you are in. But you need to understand the primary limitation of this maneuver. These temporary addresses are highly volatile. They expire rapidly, taking your account recovery options and access history with them. That expiration is only half the problem. High-value platforms do not accept these addresses at all. They employ third-party verification firewalls, specifically systems operated by companies like ShareID and Unidays, to guard their premium discounts. Look at this data flow. Advanced systems cross-reference your email domain against live accredited institution databases. Unverified temporary domains are instantly rejected at the gate, while legitimately registered college packets pass smoothly through the barrier. Temporary generators work for a quick weekend project. However, relying on them for professional subscriptions usually leads to an immediate account suspension once the platform's automated domain audits run. To bypass those third-party firewalls, we need the permanent route. We are going to secure an unshakable academic credential through legitimate community college enrollment. This starts at a state-sponsored college portal. On this screen, we are using the California system, CCC Apply. You will initiate a formal application, and you must use your entirely authentic, legal personal information for every single field. You will face a rigorous identity check, typically routed through the ID.me verification system. Do not use generated identities or fake social security numbers here. Attempting to bypass this with synthetic data triggers aggressive administrative audits and institutional bans. Once you submit the authentic paperwork, the timeline slows down. You will enter a multi-day processing window. Wait for the institution to deliver an official welcome letter to your personal inbox, containing your secure portal credentials and your new student ID number. Enduring this temporary administrative friction is worth the effort. You have now established a lifetime digital academic identity. This is the legitimate credential that provides consistent, long-term access to premium platforms. Now that you have your portal credentials, we transition to actively securing the live academic inbox. Modern institutions enforce strict security protocols. Before they grant you access to read your mail, they require you to establish two-factor authentication. On this split screen, you see the mechanical step to clear this requirement. You will link a mobile application, specifically Microsoft Authenticator, by scanning the generated QR code displayed on your desktop login page. With the inbox fully secured and active, it is time to deploy it against a high-value target. Our primary objective is the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which provides free access to thousands of dollars in professional software tools. You submit your new college email on the GitHub Education portal. Then, you wait for the verification link to arrive in your secured Outlook inbox, click it, and finalize your upgrade to the premium tier. This rigorous authenticator setup is a requirement for a reason. It acts as the essential security layer protecting the specific software licenses you just claimed. We have to address a technical risk: cookie cross-contamination. If you mix your personal logins and your student logins in a single standard browser, tracking scripts will flag the conflicting data, which often triggers security alerts on your accounts. Look at this diagram. The solution is utilizing an anti-detect browser environment to perfectly isolate your digital footprint. We are separating the personal data vault from the academic sandbox. To set this up, you open the DI Cloak architecture and create a dedicated ring-fenced co-file named School. You will route all your university portal logins, Outlook sessions, and verification links strictly through this specific profile. Proper digital ecosystem isolation prevents those automated security flags from ever deploying. It transforms a simple logging process into a stable, long-term approach for managing your professional resources. Let's review what you've built. You started by confronting expensive monthly subscriptions. Now you command a fully verified, secured, and digitally isolated academic toolkit. You have unlocked significant financial value. You now have the credentials to claim the Microsoft 365 suite for free, secure half-price Amazon Prime and Spotify, and deploy the entire GitHub developer ecosystem. Maintain your active institutional enrollment. These companies perform annual re-verification sweeps, and you will need to keep your student status current to ensure your access remains active. Taking the time to architect a robust digital academic identity pays compounding dividends. You've secured professional-grade tools that support your work long after enrollment.